and the name of the lesson is our body. So in this chapter we will learn about our parts of our body. Means how do they help us, what are the different types of it. Okay, so here we will learn about tissues, cell, organs, organ systems, and what are the different types of the organ systems. So our body is made up of very tiny cells. Just like a valve is made up of bricks, right? So similarly our body is also made up of very tiny. Here cells means the basic building blocks of a living organism. And these tiny cells together forms a tissue, and again this tissue combines together and form an organ. An organ is a part of our body which does a specific functions. For example, lungs, which help us to breathe. So these organs of our bodies have different types of organ systems inside our body. So first of all it comes cells, and these cells together forms what? It forms tissue. And these tissues again forms organs, and this all together forms what? This all together forms our organ system. Now we will learn the importance of the organ systems and the work done by them. So number one, skeletal systems. So this skeletal system includes bones. So bones give us support and shape to our body, and also it helps us to stand upright and protects our delicate organ inside the body. Next, muscular system. So this muscular system includes muscles, and muscles help us to move various parts of our body. Next, digestive system. So digestive system includes mouth, food pipe, stomach, intestines, and anus. So digestive systems helps us to digest our food which we eat. Next, respiratory system, and this system includes nose, windpipe, lungs. So and these systems help us to breathe. Next, circulatory system, and this system includes heart, blood vessel, and blood. And this system helps us to circulate our blood, carrying oxygen and nutrients from digestive food to different parts of our body. And next, nervous systems, and this system includes nerves, brain, spinal cord, and this nervous systems helps the organs to send signals from different senses to brain, which tells us how to respond. Next, skeletal system. So have you ever feel the bones in our head, chest, legs, and arms? Are they soft or hard? Yes, the bones in our bodies are hard, right? And the bones in different parts of our body have different shape and size. Some are long, some are short, some are straight, and some are curved. And all the bones in our body together forms the skeleton. And this skeleton supports our body. It gives our body shape and size, and also it protects the soft, delicate organs inside our body like heart, lungs, brain, etc. Next, joints. Bones are stiff and hard. So bones are not easy to bend. We cannot easily bend our bones, right? If we try to bend that, then it will break. elbow. So this part is called joint. So because of this joint, we can move our hand. And these joints help us to bend. Different joints allow different types of movement. So different joints in different parts of our body do different things. A newborn babies have around 300 bones and adults have 206 bones. This is because babies have smaller bones and later on their bones are fused together to form larger bones. And the largest bone in our body is the thigh bone, and this bone is called femur. And the smallest bone in our body is called stapes. And this bone is the third bone in the middle of the ear. Next, muscular system. Bones in our body cannot move on their own. Muscles help bones to move. So, bones which is present inside our body cannot move by its own. So, we need muscles to move. Together, bones and muscles allow us to walk, run and jump. So, these muscles and bones together help us to walk, run and jump. And all the muscles in our body forms the muscular system, and together these muscles form the muscular system. Muscles are fleshy, stretchy bands that cover the skeleton, and muscles are stretchy, cover the skeleton. Some muscles are thick and some are thin. So muscles are also different. They are not same with one another, just like the bones. So some muscles are thick and some are thin. So these muscles are attached to the bones. And these muscles pulls the bones to move. Some muscles work on their own. For example, the muscles of the heart and in our lungs work all the time, even when we are asleep. So there are some muscles which work of their own, which we don't need to put efforts, like the muscles of the heart and lungs. So these muscles work all the time, even when we are sleeping. So this is all for today. In the next class, we will continue from the next topic, that is from the digestive system.